hands up. Health has something to do with the body. All of you all think this? Yes? Am I right? Who thinks I'm wrong? It's okay. Put your hands up. Yes. Why do you think I'm wrong?
In हम लोग हेल्थ
See, this is the WHO definition of health, which says that health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. To be healthy means to not have any diseases, right? So health just doesn't mean that. It also means having a mental and social well-being. Now, what is a mental and social well-being? Having a positive attitude, having positive attitude towards life, and social well-being means interacting with your friends, family members, your society. Now, why is health awareness needed? Does anyone know the meaning of health awareness? What is awareness? To know about something. And what is health awareness? Yes? To know about health. So why do you need to know about health? Read that, tell me. Yes?
कैन टॉक इन हिंदी क्योंकि उससे हम लोगों को समझ मिलेगी क्या है साइंस के बारे में हेल्थ
हेल्थ की समझ मिलेगी, पर किस बारे में? क्या होगा हेल्थ के समझ में? यस?
हेल्थ अवेयरनेस इज स्प्रेड बाय स्मोकिंग
By smoking? Health awareness is by not smoking. Health awareness is by not smoking. If you know that smoking is bad, then you will not smoke, right? So to know that smoking is bad, you need to be health aware. That is called being health aware. जानकारी पाना health के बारे में, right? So then, right now, how old are all of you all? 11, 12 years old? Yes? 12 years old? So if you know about health and you know that smoking is bad, it causes cancer, what else is bad? Bad habits, tobacco, yeah, gutta, yes, goa, yes, goa, yes, yes, all those things are bad. So right now at this young age, if you all know that all this is bad, then you all will be able to help your friends to know about this. You all will prevent others from smoking and drinking and all those bad habits. You all will be able to contribute to your society in a much better way. Now, what is health education? Again, health education, like how we have our different subjects like geography, history, science, maths, yes, Marathi, biology. So like that all those are sciences, right? Physics, chemistry, biology, it's a science. So health education is also, yes.
Science that draw from the biological environmental.
Get up. Read this.
Health education is a social science that draws from the biological, environmental, psychological, physical and medical science to promote health and prevent disease, disability and premature death through education driven voluntary behavior change activity.
It is actually a science that makes people aware about their health and how to take care of your own bodies, right? So then what does this draw from? What do you mean by drawing from? अलग अलग sources से जानना कि health के बारे में कितना important है, how important it is to take care of your health, right? So then it is a science that draws from the biological, from your body, your environmental, psychological means of the brain, and from the physical and medical sciences to promote your health and to prevent yourself from getting diseases. Now, why is health education important? See, if you know about your health, you can take care of yourself, you can take care of your brother, your sister, your family members, right? And then you can also help society and other people and contribute in a better way, right? So that is why health education is important. Now, earlier what used to happen, people would die at a very young age, at 30, 40. But now we have science, technology, So the lifespan has increased to 70 to 80 years old. Everyone would like to live that long, right? Who wants to die first? You want to die? No one wants to die. So if you know about your health and become aware of it, you take the right kind of medicines, so you are able to enhance your quality of life. That is called enhancing quality of life. To improve your lifestyle, to lead a better life, to be more fit and healthy, and to live a longer life. Right? Okay. So, what is youth? Youth is youngsters. All of you all are youngsters? Yes? 11, 12 years old. So, you all have to concern yourselves of being fit and healthy. You all cannot walk like that all the time. Otherwise, you all will be tired when you all go. Yes, you can't walk like old men. You all are all fit and healthy. You have to run and play football, basketball, jump, volleyball, cricket. Yes? Yes, to know about all of this, you need to have a health education and physical education, PT. Physical training. What sports do you all play in PT? Exercises करते हो और क्या करते हो? योगा में आसन करते हो और क्या करते हो? क्रिकेट नहीं, फुटबॉल, लंगड़ी, रनिंग. Okay. All these exercises, they keep you fit. You have fun while playing them, but they also keep you fit, right? And then you also need to involve your parents and the community about the health issues, right? You need to have a very healthy school environment. If someone falls sick in your school, you will go and tell the teachers, right? So unless you don't know that person is sick, you won't be able to go and tell your teachers. You need to be aware about all that. That is what health education teaches you. Now, healthy eating. Who loves burgers here? Put your hands up. Burgers, pizzas, pastas, samosas, pani puri, bhel puri, pav bhaji. और क्या अच्छा लगता है? जंक फूड. Lays, burger, pizza, Domino's, cake, Monjani's और क्या? Biscuits, okay. Lays, ठीक है. Chicken chilli. Okay, fine. Even I love eating. See all these. Okay, all right. See, these are the samosas, the Lays, the kurkure, the chocolates, and your burgers. But all that is very unhealthy. All of us, that right? Second, proven. Have a healthy, balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Which has junk food, a little bit of milk products, it has your vegetables, everything in an order. So that is called maintaining a balanced, healthy diet. Now, who exercises here? Yes, you all exercise in PT? Yes. What exercises do you do? Yes. Tell me. You tell me.
I go football.
What do you do? Cricket. Okay. Volleyball. Meditation. Very good. What else? Yoga. Fine. All these are different forms of exercise. When you all are playing this, you all are having fun, but you all are also exercising. And this exercise helps you all to keep healthy, keeps your muscles strong, helps you to run faster. Then for growth, exactly. For jogging, yes. Also keeps you fit. Studies say you have to exercise and play. Yes. It's okay. Studies say you have to exercise for at least 1 hour every day, which is 60 minutes every day, or at least 2 minutes 3 times a day, right? Exercise to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Now, who faces stress during exam time? Nahi padhai ho rahi, can't remember. Even I face stress. Who else? You also face stress. Who else faces stress? Everyone else can speak completely fine. Yes, सब कुछ याद रहता है. Everything. No, right? So then you get tension and then exam kaise hoga and then you get worried, right? Yes. To handle all that tension and all that stress, we need to keep a cool mind, have a positive attitude, study properly, do our revision many times. That is called as stress management. So you don't turn up like that. Alright? Now how do you see yourself? This is called having a positive attitude. What is a positive attitude? You see this cat over here? It's looking into the mirror, right? How is it seeing itself? Does it see itself as a cat? No. Lion. So it sees itself as something very big and powerful. It doesn't see itself like a small cat, right? So that is called having a positive attitude. Matters most is how you see yourself. How do you see yourself? As a lion or a cat? Cat. You see yourself as small, tiny, weak. Lion, right? So you have to see yourself as a lion, right? That is called yes. Yes? Seeing yourself as a lion means you have to keep motivating yourself. You have to keep happy, keep laughing all the time, crack jokes, be in a happy mood. See, if you don't eat properly, what happens? You become thin, you lose weight. Yes, you get diseases. So all these are names of diseases you get when you don't eat properly. You become very thin. You can't walk, you become very weak. That is called as anorexia. You know, some people, when they eat, then they vomit. They can't eat properly, right? Some people, some models, they eat and then they vomit just to be thin. That is called as bulimia. None of us should do that over here because that's having a negative self-image. Right now I showed you all that you have to see yourself as a lion, right? In order to see yourself as a lion, you need to eat well. Now this is a healthy mind. You have to think positive, always. See the positive outcome and everything. Be sociable. Yes, eat healthy.
Keep your mind active and
Learn new things and exercise. This is the sexual aspect of health. You need to have the correct knowledge, safety, respect and communication between your elders and you. Okay, all these are names of diseases like fascinoma, meningitis, psoriasis, leptospirosis and Alzheimer's. Anyone knows the meaning of any of this? Anyone? Are they very complicated? Yeah? Complicated names? No, I don't want you to read it. It's okay. These are very complicated terms. You all are here at the Health Education Library because this library makes these complicated terms into a simpler term and then gives you all in the form of books, right? And this helps you all to know more about your health and illness. About animals' health and illness, not their animals. This is the world's largest health library for people. It's a free library and it has a collection of 8,000 books. You all can come here and read anytime. This is the reading area. When you all came inside, did you see this area? This is the reading area. This again are our health goals which I explained to you all earlier. This is the library. Now if you look down, you can see this reading area from up as well. Yes. Now like how I am giving you all a talk and this Mr. Meenu Joki will also give you all a talk. We have health talks here by speakers on different topics for kids like you all, for elders. This is a patient community at HELP, the people who come here. Now if anyone wants to be members of this library, what do you need to do? You have to pay 2,000 rupees. It's a refundable deposit and you have to pay 100 rupees per year, so you can buy 2 books for a week and then you all have to return them and get another 2 books. This is what we teach here at HELP. Suppose if you have a cold, what would you tell your doctor? What would you tell your doctor if you have a cold? Shardi hai. Kya bologe? Yes, you tell. What would you tell your doctor?
हाँ डॉक्टर, बहुत सर्दी हो गई, बहुत खांसी हो गई.
So what else would you say?
I got fever.
You got fever. Now, if you tell your doctor, will the doctor realize that it is a malaria? No, you just said I got fever, viral fever, right? No, it can be anything. It can be malaria, it can be jaundice, it can be anything, right? So you need properly. You have to tell your doctor, मुझे सर्दी खांसी है, 2 दिन से है, स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहा है, हाँ? Yes, exactly. You can't talk properly because you keep sneezing. So this is what we teach you at HELP, how to talk to your doctor. And this is a health library website, which is healthlibrary.com. You all can visit this and read as many books as you all want. We have all the books on this site as well. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.